Hello there, welcome back guys. Welcome back to a brand new video of Mighty Host Hack YouTube channel. So guys, this video will be the second part of Cypress test automation playlist. As you know, as you can see on the screen, first part which contained the introduction of Cypress is already uploaded. And I hope that you check this before. And if you haven't, then I will suggest please check out, then you can furthermore. So at least this will provide you the more clarity about the upcoming videos and also help you to understand what is Cypress and the key difference between the Cypress and the Selenium, etc. Now in this video we are basically going to set up the Cypress on existing project. So here I selected a single Angular admin panel template which is available online on the GitHub, and this project contains a lots of web elements, so it will help us to write the test cases for the different web elements. So to begin with, first we have to clone this project in our local system. For that I am going to copy the URL and now going to open the command prompt, and here I will redirect over the desktop and will enter the git clone and the URL which we just copied and hit enter. Now we have to wait until it get finished. Now it get finished successfully. Now let me redirect over this project. Now first we require is dependency package, need to download its node module. So let's download the node module by entering npm install command on terminal. And right now it started to download. So wait until it get complete. Alright guys, look like we are end up with the single error. So the error I already encountered, so you did not need to worry. So to resolve this error, you need to download the node SAS latest package and wait until it's get complete. Okay, now the node SAS is downloaded completely. Now we have to enter the npm install again and wait its dependency get installed. Alright, all packages are getting installed successfully. Now in order to run the project in our local machine, we have to just enter the npm start command. Alright, looks like project is running successfully. Let me open this on web browser, and you can see the project contain lots of web element and also contain the drop down which have theme, and based on the theme the color is getting changed. So we will also look into how we are going to write the test cases for the theme changes. Also the sidebar contain the multiple pages navigation, and each page have the multiple web element. So we will see each single in upcoming playlist. Alright, now the project setup is done successfully. Now we have to see how we are going to add this Cypress in our existing project. Well, for the Cypress integration, it has the multiple ways, but we will refer the easiest way with the help of npm package. So to run the npm command, we require the new terminal, and I'm going to type the npm install Cypress and also going to add as a new flag as a save dev. So that will be help, and we're going to add this Cypress package only the dev dependencies that you can see in the package.json. Now it looks like it installed successfully. Let's run the Cypress. And one more important thing you need to observe on the left sidebar, it does not contain any Cypress folder, but once we enter the Cypress running command, it will going to add the Cypress folder. So let's run the Cypress command. So let's run the Cypress with the help of command as npm cypress open. And here we go. This is the Cypress window which will help to run the test cases. Let's ignore this window right now and focus on the Cypress added folders and file. Well, here it added the Cypress folder which contain the multiple folder. First, it has the fixture folder which is used to store the data only. Data's object and the external piece of static data, we can say. And you will be use this typically with the help of Cypress cy.fixture command. And we are mostly use this fixture to only store the JSON formatted data. You can store the other format as well. Now the second folder is integration, and it is the main folder to store all your test cases. We can add basic end-to-end unit testing, etc. Then the third one, we have the plugins, and it has this own index.js file. And what we are doing, we are just adding the custom plugin code over here. And you can find a different plugin on the cypress.io website. And the plugin file is a particular file that execute in the node before the project is getting load or before the launch and during the test execution. This use as a simple preloader. Just consider right now if all these things put you in the conflict. And the last one is a support folder. There are two files inside the support folder. One is command.js and another is index.js. Command.js is the file where you add the command and the commonly used function. The custom command we basically added over here. Index.js is the file run before every single spec file is getting run. This file is a great place to put the global configuration. And lastly, you can see we have this cypress.json file is created separately, which is outside the Cypress folder. And this is the JSON file which used to store any configuration value. It has the multiple key, but that will look into the next videos. Right now we are successfully set up the project and also integrate the Cypress in our existing project. So now onwards, the upcoming videos, we will only work on this project. And for the next video, we will playing with the cypress.json file and its Cypress window to connect our created test cases. So this is it for this video. Right now I am going to signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.